Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by isolating the delay source. Verify the TV input matches the device and remove unnecessary adapters or splitters. Once done, switch the TV to a low-latency power mode like game or standard so internal processing is minimized. Also replace long or old HDMI cables with a short, high-speed cable to rule out signal degradation. This reduces handshake and transmission lag. These first steps remove common external causes and prepare you for deeper configuration changes. Now you change configurations that actually cut frame delay. Enable game mode on both TV and console or PC so frames bypass heavy processing. Make sure to turn off motion smoothing, noise reduction, and automatic upscaling because they add variable buffering. The why is simple. Each processing stage cues frames. Next, set the source and TV to identical resolution and refresh rate, for example 60Hz at 1080p, to avoid frame conversion. Once matched, test responsiveness with a quick pointer or controller check. Finish by applying system-level fixes. Update the TV and source firmware, and reboot both devices to clear caches and reinitialize HDMI handshakes. If you rely on wireless streaming or controllers, switch to wired connections because Wi-Fi adds jitter and packet delay. If delay persists, perform a factory reset as a last resort, then retest. Troubleshooting tip: if problems continue, document the model and firmware versions and contact support. Having that info speeds diagnosis and avoids pointless steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.